Hi guys, here is how you kick up 2 dumbbells into a lying position using your knees. I'll show you again. Here you lie back with momentum, kick up with the left knee, let that weight fall onto your chest and then follow it with the right. Immediately turn your elbows outwards and then from that deep position drive your elbows through the weight. That way you can really get that weight over your chest and then press forward through the knuckles, really pressing your elbows forward, keeping your wrist aligned with your knuckles. If you find any sticky points, just keep holding it and find that tension. If you absolutely need to, you can bend your elbows and drop the weights at your sides. Then, once you've reached the end of your set, lift your knees to the dumbbells and then fall forwards with the dumbbells, taking your momentum over your feet. That's the safest way to get out of that position without dropping the weights.